Vue.js is one of the most popular JavaScript frameworks in the world. It allows you to develop single-page web applications and has robust features. It is also a bit easier to learn for beginners, compared to Angular and React. Today we are going to learn how to install it on a Windows computer and start developing cool apps. First, we will open the VueJS.org website and head to the install page. Here you will find a list of commands to install and run Vue.js. If you notice the first command, it starts with NPM. This is Node Package Manager, which comes pre-built with Node.js. So let's install Node.js first. To do that, let's head over to the Node.js website and click on the left green button, which will download the latest stable version. After the download is complete, click on the file and keep clicking Next until it is finished. Let's head to the directory where you want to create your new app, and open the Windows PowerShell, and type the command provided by Vue.js website. Next, type the name of the Vue project you want to create, and press Enter. After that, it will ask you some questions. Select No for every option, except the last one. You can press the Up key on your keyboard to change the options from Yes to No. Press Enter after each option. Now, let's change the current directory and go inside the project folder. To do that, type cd space your project folder name, which is test in this case. Now, type npm install, and it will install all the required packages. After that, type npm run dev and press Enter. This will build and run the app on a local development server, which is shown here for you. Open your browser and type localhost 3000 and press Enter. You will see the app with its demo content. Now, let's explore what the project folder actually contains. Open the project in Visual Studio Code or any other text editor, like Notepad or Notepad++. Installing Visual Studio Code is very easy, and it's also free. There are a lot of files and folders in this project, but we will mainly be working inside the src folder. Expand it, and here is the app.vue, which is the main entry point of our app. This is the page that was loaded when we first opened the app earlier on the browser. You can change text here and hit save, and it will instantly be compiled and updated on the browser. We can also change the image on the app. Let's copy an image from outside and paste it inside the Assets folder. Then on the app.vue page, let's change the file name and save. See, the image is changed. There are additional components and views on this project, and we can change the contents of them, or create our own components. This is a good starting point for further developing the app. We will show you how to create reusable components of your own, and plug them into one another in future videos. Please subscribe to get notified when more videos are uploaded on our channel.